Could Samsung be preparing to release its thinnest smartphone yet? According to new leaks, it seems like that might be the case, and we now have a much clearer idea of when it's arriving. A recent teaser image shared by the reliable tipster at EvLeaks shows the silhouette of what appears to be the Galaxy S25 Edge, along with the words 13 Maggio 2025. If you're wondering, Maggio, it's Italian for May, which points directly to a launch date of May 13. This lines up with earlier reports from April, which mentioned the same date, but now the teaser makes it feel almost official. Unlike past Samsung launches that included large events, this one seems like it will be held online. That approach isn't surprising these days, especially for companies wanting to focus more on the product itself in the presentation. And honestly, with how slim this new phone is said to be, it might not need a grand stage to make an impact. It's just 5.8 millimeters thick, making it one of Samsung's slimmest smartphones to date. That alone is enough to get people talking. Even with its incredibly thin design, the Galaxy S25 Edge isn't going small on display. It reportedly features a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED screen, which means users still get a large, vibrant viewing experience in a body that's sleek and lightweight. But there's a catch. Building such a slim device means not everything can be included. Based on the leaks, Samsung has removed the telephoto lens from this model. That might be disappointing for photography fans, especially those who care about zoom capabilities, but this move is likely aimed at keeping the phone light, thin, and stylish. Performance, however, isn't being compromised. The Galaxy S25 Edge is said to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, a high-end chip expected in many flagship Android phones this year. This means users can expect fast performance, smooth app switching, and strong gaming capability. So while the camera setup may not include everything, the phone still delivers where it matters most for everyday use. Samsung is also focusing on premium build quality. The S25 Edge is rumored to come with a solid metal frame, which should give the phone a strong and durable feel despite its slim shape. In fact, the teaser included the phrase "beyond slim," which clearly hints at what Samsung is trying to highlight this time: elegant design combined with solid performance. As for when you can get your hands on it, a release will likely happen in stages. Reports suggest that the Galaxy S25 Edge will first be available in South Korea and China about a week after its launch event. For the United States, it might arrive closer to the end of May, possibly around May 30. Availability in other regions like Europe and India hasn't been confirmed yet, and there's talk that the phone could have limited stock due to production limits or strategic choices. Pricing also makes this phone stand out, but not in the most affordable way. The 256GB version is expected to cost about $1,049, while the 512GB model could be priced around $1,140. That's quite expensive, especially since the phone skips a few features. But for users who care more about sleek looks, lightweight, and fast performance, this could still be a tempting choice. So should you consider the Galaxy S25 Edge? If you like the idea of a super slim smartphone with a big screen and strong performance, and you're okay with the simpler camera system, it might be worth it. But if camera features are at the top of your list, you might want to wait for another option. What do you think? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss more updates like this one.